There are reports now indicating that there could be some positive outbreak as far as the FTI Mahabharat rally is concerned. How exactly would that happen? Navika will be with us in just a bit to get us more detail. But it seems that there has been a certain amount of climb down from the government now, which remember has been standing with its appointment of Gajendra Chauhan as the director. So will the government now blink and end the FTI Mahabharat? How exactly would that be done? And the government, we are also being told, is ready to engage with students. Navika with us for more details. Navika, what are you hearing? Is there some climb down now from the government?
Well, at the moment, we have a letter in our possession. This letter is dated the 16th of September 2015 and has been sent out to the FTII Students Association. This letter, signed by the Joint Secretary in the Ministry of Information and Broadcasting, has set the terms. They have said that the government is open to talk to the FTII Students Association, but this cannot be on the basis of the preconditions that have been set by the FTII students. Any talks will need to be on an even keel with no preconditions, and the ministry will be open to such talks. In fact, the ministry's letter also encloses two letters that have been sent by the president of the FTII Students Association, where several preconditions have been listed in their letters to the ministry. In fact, they said things like 3 out of the 5 contentious members of the proposed society should be replaced immediately. Also, the 3 resigned members should be replaced by people who are mutually agreeable to the FTII Students Association and the government, virtually wanting to dictate every single term to the government. The government has said no to all of that as of now, but in the latest letter that has been sent out on the 16th of September, the government has made it clear that without preconditions, the government is open for talks. But as of now, the students have violated the principles that were set up in the 25th July meeting with the Minister of State as well as the Minister for Information and Broadcasting, and such preconditions cannot be entertained by the government. So it's an open offer for talks, but definitely no preconditions will be entertained by the government.
Okay, and Navika, what about the role of Gajendra Chauhan? Because this protest actually started when he was appointed as the chairman, the director of that institute. What happens to that? Is the government willing to consider that, or perhaps to clip Chauhan's wings somehow?
Well, at the moment, it's a plain and simple offer for talks. There is no mention in the letter that has been signed by the Joint Secretary Films in the Ministry of INB on whether there will be any negotiation on the appointment of Gajendra Chauhan as the director of FTII. But the fact is that it is without preconditions, which means that the government should be at this moment, knowing that is the major opposition the FTII students have, should be going into this with an open mind. However, they have said very clearly that they will not get into any conversations with the FTII Students Associations with the preconditions. So no precondition that remove Gajendra Chauhan only.
All right. Now